Welcome once again to my channel, Power of Mindset Youths. I've recently discovered that Deriv introduced or brought back mobile money transactions, that is deposits and withdrawals. Yeah, there was no partner service provider for this, and it had been scrapped off a few months ago, if not years. But of recent, I discovered during our interaction with our Deriv affiliate manager that was brought back. So when I checked, I found that actually it is back. So in today's video, I want you to know, I actually want to show you this mobile money agent that is working with Deriv, so that you guys who are mobile money lovers who like to be using mobile money to deposit and withdraw from Deriv or to Deriv can be or turn back to this mobile money, since most of some African countries like using mobile money for their convenience. So that is what we are going to talk about. I show you that mobile money service provider on Deriv. And I'll also show you, for those of you who are new to Deriv, who are new to trading, how you can deposit and withdraw your money. Okay? All right, let's get started. I will first log in so that I can show you each and everything step by step. Okay, I'm now here. So I'll go to cashier here. Okay, go to cashier. On a real account, guys. If you want to change and go to demo, you could go here, but please, if you want to make a deposit or withdraw, you have to go on real account. I hope that is clear. So now that I'm on the cashier, you can see we have deposit, withdraw, payment transfers, payment agents, transfer, Deriv P2P. When this method was off, I was using P2P, but why I may shift to mobile money transactions instead of P2P, it's because of probably the charges. Yeah, and it's only that me, I'm lucky I got just two guys who are trustworthy that I could use. And actually, even if there are two, only one was active, let me just go to P2P, Deriv P2P, and I show you this guy. If you are from Uganda, my country, then you could be able to understand. But if you're from your region, you're also having an issue with the scammers, and therefore you're having hard time to deal with them, because if you don't know how P2P works, you may be tricked, and in the end you make a mistake and you lose. Okay, because you remember one principle that can guide and protect you in Deriv or in Deriv P2P or any other actually exchange platform is never to confirm that you have received something you have never received. Okay, so if I can go to P2P, you can see buy. Okay, buy and sell. On buy, I have only this one, and the other one I trust so much is not there. It's called Morris 01, so it's not appearing here. So the rest of the ones I use are nowhere to be seen here. So that's why I'm always limited with options, and I only have to wait for that guy I trust. The others, they are normally scammers. All right, so let me just get back to deposits. So if I come to deposits, you will be shown the different deposit methods. The same applies to withdrawals. So you can see they are saying deposit via bank wire, credit card, and e-wallet. Deposit via the following payment methods. So credit card, instant bank transfer, e-wallet, local payment methods. Now, today's video is about mobile money. So where are you going to find it? You go here to local payment methods. Okay, but if you want to see if this list continues, you can go here on this arrow, forward arrow, and you see if there is anything that that is not appearing on the screen. Okay, and you see what is going to pop up or show up. All right, so the whole list will appear here. So you can see before this method was not there. Okay, the other ones were there, like AirTM. Okay, this one is available. All these from here up to downwards. Perfect Money was there. And if you are from any other country, please to like don't use mobile money, then these methods you can check and see if they can work for you. AirTM, Perfect Money, Netella, Skrill, Skrill One Tap, Jeton Wallet, Jeton Cash, credit and debit cards, Dogecoin Cash, Dogecoin rather. And when I reach on credit and debit cards, only MasterCard does not allow withdrawal. The rest can be used for deposits and withdrawals, but for the MasterCard, you can only use it for deposits but not withdrawals. Alright, so I encourage you to use that method where you can use it for deposits and withdrawals at the same time. Right? Why? Because Deriv will only allow you to withdraw using that method you used in the deposits. Okay, I hope that one is clear. So if we continue, you can see we have Tron, that's cryptocurrency coin, then XRP, Solana, Sol, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, USDC, USDT, BTC, Ethereum, LTC, Terra X, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, ETC, it is even the Binance coin you can see, okay, and even StickPay. In my future videos, I'm likely to make a video about this one, StickPay, because it is widely used by many forex brokers. So let's get back to our point, which is this one. Dusu Pay Mobile Money is the current payment method. A mobile money deposit and withdrawal method that has been added of recent, and you can see deposit instant, withdraw, and deposit limits 5 to $150. Okay, so if you want to use this method to deposit, you can just click there, right? So if you click there, you have to, you look at here, select, so you click on this arrow. If you are using MTN mobile money, you select MTN. If you are using Airtel, you select Airtel. For example, let me select MTN. Then here you add your phone number. 256 is the country code. My country code, it is automatically selected, and even yours will be automatically selected. Then plus from there, don't put there a 0. You add there your number like 7, blah blah blah, until it is complete. Okay, maybe for example like this. Let me see if it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, they are supposed to be 9 figures minus 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, then from there you enter the amount in your currency. For example, since they are beginning from $5, I can say, $20, 20,000. Okay, 20,000, and minimum, and they are showing you how much they are exchanging $1 into your currency. Okay, rather the minimum is this one, which is equal to $5. You can see. So $5 is not even 20, but it is 18,498. So this should be the minimum. You shouldn't go below this. All right. So amount, they are showing me how much I'm going to get in dollars, 5.40. Right. So, and they are showing me the exchange rate they are using. 1 UGX is equal to this one into USD. All right. Then after that, you can click on next. Okay. You wait a little bit. Okay, so you can see redirecting. If not automatically, or before I even finish reading it, you can see now they are saying MTN mobile money payment, check and confirm that you have at least 20,000 on your mobile money account, this and this, before proceeding. Please note that mobile money service fees may apply. This, we are used of this one because once you are transacting with mobile money, they are going to be charging theirs from your country. It is not about this payment agent. Okay, so if I want to continue, I'll click on proceed and I'll enter my PIN and the money will go. All right, but of course this was for illustration purpose. I do not want to deposit anything. I was trying to show you. So let me just cancel. Okay, this will take me back. Transaction was not successful. We are sorry, but the transaction was not successful. Blah 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 blah. This is because I personally cancelled the transaction. Okay. If I go to withdraw, the same procedure. Okay. But for the withdraw, Deriv will first send an email to your inbox so that you confirm that you are the one who is initiating the withdraw request. And once you find this email in your inbox, that's when you click and confirm, and you will be brought back, and the entire process will be the same as the deposits. Okay, I hope that one is clear. If you need anything that I could highlight on, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll make the next video to highlight that, or I will answer you in the comment section. Until next time, please subscribe before you go, and like the video. If at all you can share it to your colleagues, you will have done a huge favor for me. Peace.